Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in the 2023 Volvo XC60 B5 Ultimate. Very quiet startup, like most Volvos or all Volvos. Interior is very nice. You know how you guys know how I feel about Volvo interiors. If you see my videos on Volvos, I love Volvos. And I love the interiors, they're nice. Even though the interior design's been out for a long time, it doesn't bother me. I don't really care about that because at least it's super nice. You know, the materials are really high quality. I love the Google integration and the gauge cluster. Nice Harman Kardon speaker grills over there. This has the beautiful Auraforce crystal gear shifter, which I love. It's so nice, it's so elegant. Yeah, there's your backup camera. No 360 camera, but oh wait, let's see. Yeah. Oh wait, there is a 360 camera. That's cool. Yeah, it's the Ultimate, so makes sense that it has that. You hit the settings, but one thing that I miss is when Volvo had like the drive mode selector down here. They don't have that anymore. You have to go to this menu, then you have to go to driving, and then you have to go to driving dynamics in order to change it. And there's an off-road mode, which I find funny. Who's gonna go off-roading in this? But whatever. Use your storage space. You have the black interior. (2023) XC60 B5 all-wheel drive Ultimate bright theme. 2-liter turbocharged direct injection engine, 247 horsepower with 258 pound-feet of torque. 48-volt hybrid system with regen braking, 13 horsepower ISG, 8-speed Geartronic automatic transmission. The MSRP on this vehicle when it was new was $60,330. Combined fuel economy is 25 mpg, 23 city, 29 highway. Now let's go for a quick walk around on this Volvo. It's like a nice silver / platinum looking color. Doors hammer daytime running lights, which are not on right now. I need to turn those on. Nice looking wheels on this car. B5 all-wheel drive. Here's your trunk space on this vehicle. You have a Volvo rear cargo mat. I like that. You have a pass-through over there if you want to fit like larger items going into the cabin from the trunk. You have AC vents back there, plus you also have heated seats, which is pretty cool. My seat's pretty far back, so it's a tight fit back here for me, but if the seat's forward for normal driving height, that's be more comfortable back here. You have a panoramic sunroof, and wow, you even have AC vents on the B pillar. That's not very common. I love that. Great touch. So the rear passengers are very comfortable. The seat was really comfortable right now, and the AC is awesome. Impressive that it has that. Most cars don't have that, even 3-row SUVs. There's so much lumbar adjustment and thigh extension adjustment, which I like. You have to use this little knob on the side, and you can control which part of the seat you're adjusting. That's really cool. Well, this is an Ultimate, so. And we all know that Volvos are very popular for their safety. Very safe cars. Safest cars in the industry, I believe. Google Map integration is the best. I love it. Love it. This infotainment system, it's so easy to use. Good. Let's turn on those daytime running lights. They weren't on when we did the walk around. decent acceleration. It's not like fast or anything like that. This is not a recharge. 247 horsepower. It has more than enough you know, pickup for daily driving. For a car like this, it's more than enough. And no complaints over there. And it's, you know, turbo. So the low end torque is not bad at all. I do wish Volvos had paddle shifters. I like if cars have paddle shifters. I use them often, so it sucks that it doesn't. If you want to do like manual mode, you're gonna have to go like here and then use the shift knob, which is not very engaging. But yeah, man, I love that gear shifter. It's so beautiful. Like Volvo interiors, they all look the same in every single one of their cars. It's identical in everything. I mean, but like, you know, it's just so classy. Like, you can't really like get mad at it. I mean, yeah, it's been out for a long time, this interior design, but like, it still doesn't feel all that outdated or anything to me because of the Google integration. And I'm interested to see when Volvo overhauls the interior, what that's gonna look like across the lineup. And I'm excited to drive the EX90 and EX30 when they come out. The EX30 is going to be a very popular electric car because of its price point, and it's a Volvo. So I'm interested to see how those sell, and I'm very excited to get my hands on them and try them out. So I like how, like, on the steering wheel right here, you have thumbprints, like indents for your thumb. Drive is comfortable, seats are comfortable, everything feels pretty good. And I found out that little plastic piece in there, I always wonder what that was in Volvos. And I was watching one of Doug DeMuro's videos, and that's when I finally found out what it was. Basically, if you have like a parking ticket or like some kind of ticket that you need to have in the windshield, instead of just leaving it on your dash where you can't see it, you can put it in that little plastic tab, which is a really nice idea. I like those little details. And I also found out that the XC40 has a built-in trash can in the center console, which is cool too. Wow, it's a rough pothole. But this car picked that up pretty easily, didn't feel it all too much. So suspension's very soft. It's nice. By soft, I mean in a good way. It's like absorbs bumps, things like that. You definitely feel very nicely insulated in the cabin here from the road. And yeah, this Ultimate has ventilated seats as well as heated seats, which is nice. Ventilated seats are very important for me personally, especially in Texas. The weather's very hot. Yeah, actually, yeah, this thing's pretty quick. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like fast, but you know, at low end torque, I was able to get up to 45 miles per hour very easily. But yeah, very pleasant driving experience. I feel very nicely, you know, cocooned in this interior from the road. Blind spots are in your mirrors, if you can see over there. So here's your volume controls. And so I'm assuming that map is always there in the center. And the wood trim feels nice. It's like open pore wood trim. It's not like the cheap fake trim. It's you can feel how nice it is, and it looks good. It's nice. But anyways, that's about it. Overall impressions of the car is that it's a very luxurious, nice SUV to be in, comfortable driving experience, beautiful interior, and love this crystal shifter. But yeah, thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.